Hello, hello, hello. This is Gail Gentry, online marketing professional, helping you fire your boss and control your time in your online business if you care to do so. And I am coming with another review of the Super Affiliate Network. Today's review is about should I go pro or not? And I'm sure I called this something else, but that's the way I remember it. So I'm sticking with that story. So, should you go pro? If you're looking at the Super Affiliate Network, the Super Affiliate Network is definitely an online training system to help you get up to speed quickly if you are a new online marketer. So, and you can get started at different levels of membership. You can get started at the basic level. You can get started at the $1 trial level, which will then turn into a monthly if you continue with the program. Or you can get started with the annual program. You can get started with the premium level, and then it goes up from there. But if you want to get positioned at the best level, meaning that you have access to those high ticket offers or high ticket commissions at 1,000 and up to $1,000. You want to get started at the pro level of membership. And how do you get going with the pro level of membership? Well, firstly, you join at either the monthly or the $1 trial offer, and you go through what we call the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. And through the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, it gives you all the necessary information that you need in order to be successful with the Super Affiliate Network from A to Z. And it is 18 modules that you would go through, and also take the the Solo Success Formula training, which is another 6 modules. It takes about an hour to 2 hours to get through that. That's where you want to start. And while you're going through that, you can determine if, in fact, the Super Affiliate Network is something that you want to continue on a long-term basis. This is a long-term basis situation. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So if you're thinking that you're going to do this and 30 days later, boom, you're going to make $1 million, this is not the system for you. This is a longer-term program. However, it does reduce the time of a traditional business. Traditional business, you get started brick and mortar, whether it's brick and mortar or online, it take you, 2 to 3 years to be in profit mode. You can get started and be in profit mode a little sooner with the Super Affiliate Network, probably in about 6 months to a year, be in profit mode with the Super Affiliate Network. It does take work. However, there are a lot of done-for-you systems, a lot of automated systems that you can put in place where a lot of the work is done for you on autopilot, as we call it. So if you've seen me on here before, I do webinars every week. I talk about the Super Affiliate Network. I talk about, how you can get started in a done-for-you system for as little as $1 and to get positioned for yourself at the pro level. Pro level is where you want to get positioned, because the pro level is where you really start to see that income go up. Now, the best thing about the pro level, not only do you position yourself to get those $1,000 commissions, but you also make money off of the people that come in under you, right? So you leverage those people that come in under you, and they begin to make sales and they begin to make commissions, and you make up to 20% on anything that they do below you at the pro level or below. So if they go to a higher level than you do, then you don't miss out on that commission. So you want to stay at minimum pro level, but you can ascend to other levels too if you choose to do so. But starting at that pro level is probably the best place to get started. But again, start at that dollar trial, start at that monthly level, so you can see what it's all about before you make a commitment to go to that pro level, which is fairly quickly, like within a couple of weeks. So it's not going to take you a lot of time. I personally went pro after 3 days into the program. I went at the pro level because I didn't want to leave any money on the table. And then anybody that came under me, I wanted to be in a position to help them grow too. And based on their goals and their desires, help them get to the pro level as well. In order to do that, though, I had to, practice what you preach, right? You can't, suggest to somebody that they go to a level that you're not already at. So that's one good thing with the pro level. And you also get, not only position yourself for higher ticket commission items, but you also get weekly coaching in the pro level coaching program, which you do not get at the basic level or at the monthly level. You don't get those. And you don't make the same level of commission at the basic level as you do at the pro level. So at the basic level, you'll only get, if somebody else comes in at the basic level. If one of your people comes in and they go annual, you're not going to get that commission because you're not, positioned in that way. So you want to position yourself as quickly as possible. Also, you get access to the swipe file. You get access to the Solo Ad Success Formula. You get access to a number of different things that you do not get access to at the basic level. And what do all these things do? They help you get successful quicker, right? That's the whole point of it. And so you get trained. So not only, the good thing about the Super Affiliate Network, not only does this training help you with the promoting of the Super Affiliate Network itself, but also promoting your existing businesses. So if you're a travel agent, it'll help you learn training and marketing to promote your travel business. If you're in the health and wellness industry, it'll help you promote and promote and sell your health and wellness products. All these different things. So it's not just limited to it. Also, it'll help you promote and develop other products that you may not have thought about, like a coaching program or a mastermind program or a number of different things. So that's what you get at the pro level of membership in the Super Affiliate Network. And you don't want to delay. Again, if you're looking to get started in a home-based business, online business, the Super Affiliate Network is definitely a place to start. I would suggest start at the dollar trial. You can get started right here today if you like. Check it out at the dollar trial at bit.ly/Gail Get Me Started Now. That's bit.ly/Gail Get Me Started Now. And you can get started for that dollar trial. Once you're in the dollar trial, once you start the boot camp, once you start working with your coach, which you get at that dollar level, then you can determine, hey, is this something I really want to do? Then you can move forward and you can ascend to that higher, position yourself higher for better training, position yourself for better income, position, because your commissions, you could potentially get $1,000 commissions, at that level, at the pro level. So I would strongly suggest, get into the Super Affiliate Network if you're looking for a home-based business, if you're looking for an online business, and then go ahead and quickly ascend to that pro level of membership if you decide that, in fact, the Super Affiliate Network is a place for you and can help you in your online business experience. So that's all I got. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. And I appreciate you guys for joining me here and look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.